Learn these super useful words and phrases for traveling. So the first thing when you go to the airport is check-in. So you can say, ¿Dónde es el check-in? ¿Dónde se factura? Then once you're there, they can ask you, ¿A dónde vuela? ¿Me deja su pasaporte, por favor? ¿Tiene el pasaporte de vacunación? Sometimes they might ask you how many days are you going to spend there. ¿Cuántos días va a estar ahí? ¿Cuántas maletas va a facturar? If you want to choose your seat or you don't like the one they're giving you, you can say, ¿Puedo elegir otro asiento? And when you want to go to the gate, you ask, ¿Dónde está la puerta de embarque? ¿A qué hora empieza el embarque? El control de seguridad is security. And I hope this doesn't happen to you, but if they say you have to change terminal, it would be, tiene que cambiar de terminal. El avión sale de la terminal 4. I hope you find these words and phrases useful. Remember to write them down and practice saying them out loud. If you have any questions, leave them down below.